Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I've got Erin here with me today. We are going to be unboxing some things from Ipsy and Boxy charm add-ons. We're not doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy this week because my Ipsy is still in postal purgatory. And maybe we will do that next week, even though it will technically be August next weekend. But, yeah, Ipsy is just, they have sent me to other things, though, to unbox and go through. And I've got my Boxy add-ons. And hi, hello, if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Jennifer, and welcome to my channel. Here we do unboxings and all things makeup, but we also do talk about topics regarding agoraphobia, and if you're interested in either or both of those topics, then I would sure appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you are notified every time I upload a video. And I do upload 6, sometimes even 7 times a week. And if you are crazy, it's my hobby, so I sure love it if you would join our little family here. If you're interested in today's topic, then hang tight because we are getting right onto it. Hello, and at this point I am still trying to hit 150 subscribers so I can have, I'm so close, yeah, so I can have a 150 subscriber giveaway, and some of the stuff that we unboxed today might come in that giveaway. What I have right now to unbox is my Ipsy refreshment, and I'm not sure what, okay, what is this stuff?
I don't know, but it's very refreshing. It's like little curls of paper.
I thought it was going to be my... What are you doing in it? Oh, you should see what Boxy charm sent me. Let me try to turn the lights down. I thought it was going to be my lotion and... I want to have a disco. My lotion and... what do you call it? Body wash. But it is just a 5-blade razor. And I want to try that out and see how it goes. I've never tried. 5 freaking blades. And next, I ordered the Sizzlin Summer mystery bag from Ipsy. It was $30 and it said to have a $158 value to it. And it comes, the bag looks like this. It's a little train case. I'll probably put that in my giveaway. And the first item I am coming up with is a little yellow sponge from Beauty Blender. It looks like they're smaller.
Looks like a little lemon.
It does. One of their smaller sponges. And next, it looks like some earrings from Bubble Bar. It's like a three set of earrings.
Cool.
I've never gotten jewelry from Ipsy before.
Sweet deal.
Next in here is from Dominique Cosmetics. It says it's skin glass.
Ooh, shiny.
And
It's beige.
can you read anything on that box?
Just a gradient list and a bunch of like where it's distributed and stuff.
I've already touched it, so
All over skin enhancer. Golden dew. Choose to shine.
it looks like a liquid highlighter to me.
No, it says quite clearly on the box that it's a skin enhancer. Does your skin feel enhanced? Does it look enhanced? Looks fairly enhanced.
Okay, we're gonna pause here for a minute and let the dog out. Okay, and we're back. I don't know if you can see this, but it's kind of like a creamy highlighter kind of thing. I guess you can put it all over your skin if you want to be completely dewy. The next thing I got, it's the Jensen Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. I've used this and it's really good. In fact, I've got one on my counter, my skincare counter right now.
Your face can smell like a jack-o'-lantern.
I highly recommend this product. And the last thing is in a big tube. It is Saints and Sinners Divine Dry Finish Texture Spray.
Well done.
So, that is what comes in the Sizzlin Summer bag from Ipsy. It was one of the mystery bags. We've got the texture spray. We've got the Jensen Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. We've got the Beauty Blender. We've got the 3 sets of earrings from Bubble Bar. And we've got the Skin Glaze from Dominique Cosmetics. And we've got this cute little bag here. Now, let me try to set all of this in here. And show you the boxes that Boxy Charm sent me for the add-ons. Granted, I didn't order that much for add-ons. Now, I ordered this, my LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. I've never tried it before. Leave in the comments if you've tried this before. And then I ordered another mystery pack. It was the Makeup Maven one. And I think this Hip Dot palette is part of it. And I already promised this to Erin, but I'll show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Some pretty colors there.
I said if I liked it, do I like it?
If he likes it.
It's got a lot of flat ones in it. That's pretty neat. You can send that one out though.
You don't want it?
You can use that one for the giveaway.
Okay, this goes to the giveaway.
It's just about the subscribers.
Alright, we'll put that in the giveaway. And there is a Studio Makeup cream eyeshadow in kind of a bronzy kind of goldy shadow. I don't know. What would you call that?
Yeah, it's like light gold.
Like a light gold to bronze color. I'll put that in the giveaway too. And some of that stuff from the Ipsy thing is going in the giveaway. And this from Dragon Beauty is a color corrector. It is a lavender color corrector. It color corrects for yellow, like if you have yellow around your eyes or yellow spots around your face or something.
You can still use it if you're not a dragon though, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So that will probably go in the giveaway. What is in the next box?
There's another large box.
Okay, these are things I ordered for myself. I ordered the Milk Makeup Melatonin Overnight Serum for myself. And I was so PO'd I didn't get this in my box, so I bought it through Boxy AddOns. It's the Dermalect Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. So I bought that for myself.
Trifecta.
And that is all we have to unbox today. And yeah, you'll be seeing some of these in the 150 sub giveaway. And if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see us get to 150 so we can kick this thing off, go ahead and subscribe. And let me turn the lights back up. Okay, yeah, give this a like. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of some of this stuff. And yeah, have a great day out there today. And if you are not having a great day, I hope it gets better for you so you can enjoy the rest of your weekend. And if you are having a particularly rough time, then know that we are rooting for you here and sending you the good vibes. And remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe. And we will see you in our next video. Okay?
Bye.
Goodbye.